Hello everyone. Today I and my partner Jay Patel and Anjali Bharadwaj will be presenting our company research project. So we are thrilled to be here today to share an exciting company that is making waves in the field of mental health research. Today we will be exploring the vision, innovation, and scientific breakthroughs of Goodcap Pharmaceuticals, a company that is changing the way we understand and treat neurological disorders. For introduction, Goodcap Company is a Toronto-based biotechnology company specializing in the development of psychedelic-based pharmaceutical treatments that primarily focus is on using non-hallucinogenic and psilocybin-based formulation to treat mental health conditions, particularly PTSD, depression, and neurodegenerative disorders. The company operates out of its headquarters at 298 Markham Street, number 205, Toronto, Ontario. It is a Canadian-owned company that is collaborates with research institutions, pharmaceutical partners, and mental health organizations to advance its drug development pipeline. For overview, Goodcam Pharmaceutical Companies was founded as a part of Canna Global but rebranded to focus exclusively on psychedelic pharmaceuticals research. The company is working on developing next-generation combination therapies that merge the therapeutic benefits of psilocybin and natural inflammatory compounds. Currently, Goodcap lead products GCP001 is being tested as a potential treatment for PTSD and treatment-resistant depression. Unlike traditional antidepressants, which primarily target serotonin regulation, GCA-P001 aims to reduce neuroinflammation, which has been linked to various mental health disorders. The company vision and research goals are based on the premise that neuroinflammation contributes significantly to mental health disorders. The company approach involves targeting key inflammation biomarkers such as IL-6, TNF alpha, and COX2, which are linked to psychiatric and neurodegenerative conditions. By integrating psychedelic pharmacology with natural anti-inflammatory compounds, Goodcap aims to create medications that can be safely administered without introducing hallucinogenic effects. This could allow for wider medical acceptance and integration into mainstream healthcare. The company is currently in the intellectual property development phase, filing for composition of matter (COM) patents to protect its drug formulation.
So now why we are interested in working at Goodcap Pharmaceuticals. So firstly, it's innovative research and scientific advancement and making a real world impact on the mental health. And there are many opportunities for growth and contributions. The role as a team, we are particularly interested in the role of clinical research associate because it would allow us to do work directly with clinical trials and collaborate with scientists and medical professionals to bring innovative therapies to market. Beyond the front line of psychedelic medicine research contributing to the future of mental health treatment. So the technique we would like to perform at Good Care Pharmaceutical is ELISA. So what is ELISA and how does it work? So the purpose of ELISA is to use to measure levels of proteins in blood or cerebrospinal fluid, helping researchers determine the effectiveness of good caps therapies. So why it's important? So neuroinflammation plays a critical role in medical health disorder like PTSD and depression. ELISA helps scientists to qualify level of key inflammatory markers before and after treatment to validate the drug impact. So how does it work? So firstly, in the sample preparation, blood or cerebrospinal fluid from research subjects are collected, and in further procedure, antibody binding, the sample is placed on a plate coated with scientific antibodies that recognize the inflammatory cytokines. And the next, in enzyme reaction, a detection antibody linked to an enzyme is added, which triggers a color change research. And lastly, data analysis. The intensity of the color changes is measured using a spectrophotometer, providing a quantitative data on inflammation levels. So now automation at Goodcap Pharmaceuticals, a high throughput screening HTS. So Goodcap also uses HTS on AI-driven robotic system that automates the testing of thousands of drug components instead of manually testing each component. H- HTS rapidly identifies the most effective formulation for reducing neuroinflammation. So, how does it work? So, the robotic liquid handlers prepare and process drug samples. Machine learning algorithm analyzes the results in real time. The base drug candidate are selected and for further research, while effective ones are discarded. By automating this procedure, GoodCap saves years of research time and reduces a lot of cost. Goodcap is not just developing new drugs, it is shaping the future of mental health treatment. Our team is excited to contribute, whether in clinical trials, research and developments, or working with automation like HTS.